In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a budget tracker in Notion. This simple tutorial is perfect for beginners, and I'll guide you step by step to ensure you can effectively keep track of your spending and budgeting. Let's get started on organizing your finances in Notion, making it a smooth and manageable process. To begin, we're going to create a database within Notion. This will be the foundation of our budget tracker and serve as a central hub for organizing all your financial information. Open Notion, and you'll want to start by clicking on the Add a Page option. For simplicity, call this page Budget Tracker. Once you've created the page, select the Database view. This layout will allow you to efficiently manage and visualize your financial data. Next, we'll add some essential properties to this database. Start with defining the property types within your budget tracker. The critical properties you'll want to include are category, amount, date, and status. The category property will help you categorize your expenses, such as groceries, rent, utilities, and so forth. The amount field is where you'll input the monetary value of each expense. Set the date property to log the date of each transaction, and the status property can be used to mark whether an expense is pending or completed. These properties provide the basic structure needed to comprehensively track your expenses. Once the basic properties are established, it's time to incorporate some formulas. In Notion, formulas are helpful for automatically calculating totals, highlighting trends, and ensuring budget adherence. You'll want to create a formula field for tracking the total expenses against your budgeted amount. A typical formula might sum the values in the amount column, giving you a real-time update on your running total of expenses. This feature is particularly useful because it allows you to see, at a glance, whether you're staying within your budget without manually adding up expenses. Lastly, you'll want to compare your actual expenses with your initial budgeted values. This step is crucial as it helps ensure you're on track financially. Set up a comparison view where you can visualize your budgeted versus actual spending. You may use a progress bar, a chart, or simply a calculated column that shows the difference between the two values. This visual aid is incredibly useful for spotting trends and identifying areas where you may want to adjust your budget. And there you have it. A straightforward, effective budget tracker in Notion that's customizable and easy to use. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to managing your finances more efficiently. Remember, consistency is key in tracking expenses, so be sure to update your tracker regularly. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting.